Hi YouTubers.
I wanted to clean some new spoons which is I got. It's supposed to be silver coated, but I thought of why not to try different methods and see what is the result. I have 3 spoons here which is all similar to each other. Recently when I was traveling I bought, and I'm not quite sure that it is silver coated. I bought it as a silver coated spoons. I would like to try the first one with the just baking powder. The second spoon I'll try it with the baking powder and salt, and the third one I will try it with the baking powder and white vinegar. A combination of both, and see what is the result on the same time. I will put in every plate a foil, aluminium foil. Except that the shining portion of the aluminium to be upward, I really don't know if really that's necessary, but I will try it. On first one I just put a spoon of baking powder, and the second one I'll put a spoon of baking powder plus spoon of salt, and on third one I'll put a spoon of baking powder, and I will add later on vinegar to it. Now I'm adding the vinegar to and now I'll add the water. And I'll put the I may need to put more water into them. I'm adding more water to this one. This one, it seems it's changed faster than all of them. It's already, the color is changed, as you can see, but a little lesser changes here with the salt. This one also quite changed nicely, but not as good as that one. I will leave it for around 10 minutes. I think I may need to, since the water is more, I need to add more baking powder to each of them. And a little bit of more salt for this one, since I added some water on that, and I will see the result. Just mix everything together. Okay, it's been quite a while. First of all, it seems that these spoons are not really silver plated, but anyway, you can see the changes. This one, which was only baking powder, it's quite clean. The spoon was like this originally before I put it on the solution. I really didn't clean it up with the fresh water. Now I'll clean it up. This is with the salt water. As we can see, the color is changed to a little bit of red color. So and the vinegar is also changed to a sort of green color. So I guess the best one was just the normal baking powder, only baking powder. I got the best result on these spoons. I have to try it with other spoons too. We'll try it with these new spoons, which is, I think these are really silver plated, but I'll put this one on the baking powder, and I'll put this one with the baking powder and salt, and I'll put this one on the baking powder and vinegar, and just see what's going to happen. And also I will add the one which was in the acid. I'll put it in the baking powder only to see what's the result, and also the one which was on the salt and baking powder, which became more brownish color, to see if it is going to become as yellow color as this. It's been about 10 minutes. This is the one which is baking with the baking powder and vinegar. It's started cleaning actually. This is the baking powder and the salt, and this is only baking powder. It seems that this time this has got better. I mean, the baking powder and salt got a better result. Maybe it's because of the concentration of the baking powder, but however, at the moment it's giving a better result. But with this spoon only, maybe also the materials are different. This is still, it's black. I will do one thing. I'll now put this one on this and see if it turns the same way. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. This is, I think it's been much more than what it is necessary in the solution. I will remove it. I feel that the tips are getting black. This one, which was in the vinegar baking powder, it's became quite clean. The original was this color. So I will wash it up and see how it's going, and I'll let the other one be in the solution. So this is after washing it up. It's quite nice. There are dots still on it, but it's quite nice, considering that I'm not sure if really this is a silver plated spoon. And this is the spoon which was in the vinegar and baking powder. This one turns out nicely too. Before putting it in the solution, it was almost like this. You can see the difference of the color here. Light is not very good, but it's there is really a big change. This starts to also change color. I think on the second test, the salt and the baking powder, it's giving a better result. And what I will do also, besides having these things, I'll put some more spoons on it. I would like to keep these are still on the solution to see what is the changes. I'll put now this small one which is similar to this. I'll put it in the salt and baking powder. Okay, I'm back. I just want to check the spoons one by one. This is the last one which is we put on the solution. It's almost done, it's clean. This one also, it is changed for sure, and this is also quite changed but not very clean. This is changed but really not as much as the other one is changed, maybe because the concentration of solution is not as before now, and maybe it needs to be kept inside the solution one more time. This one is really, it's not changed much from the time it was on the other solution. I can wash it up and see how it is. This is the result of the end, and this was originally it was like this. But one more thing which is I learned, that maybe we can combine another method with this, which is with a toothpaste. I will wash it up and maybe clean it one more time. So this is the result now. It was similar to this. I'll clean it one more time with a toothpaste, and this is the final result. It was similar to this. Anyway, these spoons are not really a good quality coated, and I think there is issues with that. But anyway, to clean it, I think this is the best method. That maybe first we have to wash it up and put it in the solution of baking powder and salt, and then cleaning it and polishing it with a toothpaste. One more thing I want to try. This is just the cleaning with a toothpaste versus cleaning first with the baking soda and salt and then cleaning it with the toothpaste. I'll wash it up. As you can see, there is a difference. This one, which is cleaned with the baking powder and salt and then toothpaste, it's lighter. And this one which is only with a toothpaste, it's a little bit darker. But anyway, I'll clean it one more time with the toothpaste. And see the result, and wash it up. So this is the final result. Still, this spoon is much better finishing. I think the conclusion is that it's better first to dip it into the baking soda and salt water and keep it for some time, and then finally clean it with the toothpaste. That gives you the best result. I will try to now clean up this one with the toothpaste. First I'll wash it up. This is after cleaning it up and before cleaning it with the toothpaste. Now I'll polish it with a toothpaste.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others.
Wash it up. And this is the result. I think it is nice. That's the best we can get. Now this was the one which was in the baking powder only, and I moved it to the baking powder and salt. It's became much more cleaner, and I think if I leave it for longer time in this one, the entire spoon will get yellowish color. But I just want to expedite the time and clean it now. First wash it and clean it with toothpaste. This was the one which was in the salt. It's very nice color now. It's white, and I want to clean this one and see if it's coming the same color. I'll wash it first. So this is after washing it. There are black portion on the side of spoon, and I will now clean it with the toothpaste. I think combination of these two methods is giving really a good result. I tried the toothpaste by itself. It was difficult to clean it, so I think the first when you put it in a solution, it will do a big job to clean the main thing, and then the toothpaste can give it a shine and yellowish color. It's very nice. I'll wash it up. Yes, it's now very nice color. It's almost similar to this one. I can clean it polish it one more time with the toothpaste, and this is the final result. It became same as this one, and my conclusion is that this combination of these both methods is the best. But however, if somebody have got different opinion or different result, please share it with me.
I will be posting new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe.